Hello, welcome to me making a cross stitch. I hope you enjoy this. It's going to be just a video of me making a cross stitch. You might be able to make one too. The first thing I did was go on Google Images and I just typed in pixel sprays from Overwatch and I just chose which one I wanted to do, and I chose Anna. So I'm just going to pop her in here. I found a big image that was already translucent backgrounded. That made no sense, but yeah, I just got this, and I wanted to make a grid because, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it if it picks it up, but it's not. I need a grid so I can clearly see what bits I have to stitch and stuff like that. So I'm not good at Photoshop, so this could go horribly wrong, but we're just gonna try our best here to make a grid. I want to duplicate this and then delete the background. Yep. I want to choose a colour, a grid colour that I can see, so not too black because Anna has a lot of black detail on her. So like if I was doing fire, I wouldn't want a blue grid, so just gonna go with like a light grey, maybe about here. And then click the pencil tool, make sure it's only 1 in size, and just do this like that. Then edit, define pattern, name it something like gritty, I don't know. And go back to this one, add a pattern layer. Where is it? Here. I don't even know if it's called a pattern layer. And okay, and it's added a grid, and it fits already perfectly to everything. I don't know if you can see it, it's fine on me, but when I look at the recording it looks like it's made all these extra lines, but it's not as perfect. I have some cross-stitching fabric. I'm not sure what the technical name for that is, but I ordered one piece because I wasn't really sure what I was getting, and I got it in 14 count, which is, I think it means how many squares you get in an inch, so there'll be 14 squares. I ordered 100 thingies. I'm not sure what these are called. Floss? I don't know. All different colours. There's like the greens and the browns and the pinks and the yellows and the blues and the purples under there. So many different colours. I tried to keep them in here as organised as I could, but as you might notice, there is not a lot of grey, and there are so many different tones of grey in this cross stitch, so that sucks. But my mum used to be an avid cross stitcher. She has, this one's called grey blue, this one's called charcoal, so I should have, from my mum's leftovers, I should have enough different colours. hope you liked this video of me making my cross stitch. I'm really proud of it. It took hours. The only reason I got it done is because I've been binge watching Angel, so while I've been doing that, it's nice to do it. I couldn't sit down and solely cross stitch. I'd be very bored. But I am proud of it. I want to do another one that I can just go back to and, you know, stitch when I can. Someone preferably that doesn't use any of these colours, because I don't want to use these colours again. So probably like Diva or Diva. I want one that matches my room, and my room's mint green, and there's not really a mint green looking one. Maybe a skin? A Farah's emerald skin. Oh, I'm rambling. Ow. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you liked it. I hope you're okay. You're having a really good day. Goodbye.